Welcome to Bizplay. In this video, I will show you how to create and set up background pages. To create a background page, start by adding a regular page and rename it. Click on Edit to go to the Page Designer. Now let's design a page that will serve as some kind of template. Start by adding an image. Double-click the image to make it full size and drag it to the right. Now add some white space to the page by adding a box. Drag the corners to make the box size bigger. And set the color of the box to white. We can also create a round white space by adding a circle. Change the background to white and resize the circle. To not add the time to every single page, we can add it to this background page. Simply fill in the city to display the local time. And drag it to the right upper corner of the screen. Under Basic Elements, we can add some small decoration to the page by adding a box and resizing it. Set it to the color you like, and add rounded corners. Drag it to the left upper corner of the screen and save the page. Now that we have our background page, let me show you how to use it in other pages. Add a new page, rename it, and go to the Page Designer. Under Page Properties, you can set a background page, click on the folder icon, and it will open the page catalog. Navigate to the background page and select it. Now that we added our background page, we can add some other elements like text. You can also add other elements like apps or whatever you want to display. For now, we will add a header and a subtext. If you want more pages with this background, save this page and repeat the process for the other pages.